Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a very healthy recipe which is actually a sprout milk. And as you all know, sprout is the powerhouse of energy, like you get, and also it's a powerhouse of all vitamins, and minerals as well. When you sprout anything, first thing is it is easy to digest, and then you get a lot of things because one, sprouting is basically, it is still living, right? And when you get energy from living things, it is always the best. Eating sprouts every day, sometimes, I'm too lazy to eat them. So I thought of why not, juice them and drink the juice instead. And the pulp that is left, we can always reuse it in our cooking in other forms. So let's see how we can make sprout milk. So what I have taken today is a mixture of chana and green moong and horse gram. So everything horse gram, as you know, I've spoken in another video. It is the powerhouse of energy. It has got the highest amount of calcium. So if you are including in your diet this way, you're definitely going to get the maximum value out of it. And then the other lentils has got, so when you're sprouting, you're getting enough of vitamin C, iron, calcium. You're getting other micronutrients, and you're also getting omega-3 fatty acid, which is good. And apart from that, the other thing is vitamin D and vitamin A. Both of these things you are getting. So what I need, I've got this juicer, so I'm going to use the juicer. But if you don't have this juicer, it's fine. You can just blend it in a normal blender, and then using a cheesecloth, you can just squeeze all the juices and then drink it, right? So now let's see how to make the sprouts milk. So what I need, so I'm going to take some water and sprouts. That's all we need, right? So once we get the sprout milk, we can make anything, like we can make smoothies, we can add fruits, or we can just eat a drink like this. So which will help you in detoxifying your body. When you're mixing other things, it doesn't really work that way. Always things on its raw form or organic form, it will help you in detoxifying. So let's get started. So let me just plug the juicer in. Okay, it started. Now what I'm going to do, as it is started, so little bit of milk and little bit of sprouts. Sorry, little bit of water and little bit of sprouts. And we are going to collect the milk from here and the pulp from here. Pulp, as I said, we are not going to waste it because we also need the fibers. So we'll be using it for something else. So if you actually see, the juices are getting collected over here. So the amount is all equal to the amount of water that we are also adding. And in addition to the juices that um, the sprouts has got, we have to feed slowly because it's a masticating juicer. It works slow, but it brings out the best in the juices. The pulp is getting collected this way. This is a very dry pulp. You can combine with your atta dough when you're making atta dough, or in dosas as well. You can add it to make dosas. It's all healthy. So you see the amount of milk that I have got out of one bowl of sprouts. And immediately what you need to do is, always, if you want to store the milk, always store it in small bottles, the amount that you can use at a time. So this way what happens, it does not oxidize to the full. If you're drinking, you don't need to, I'm like, if you have time, you can always make fresh ones. But if you're storing, try to store till full, so that there is no space left which can oxidize your juices. So this is the best way to store. This is just one of the tip that you should know, because the whole idea is not to get oxidized anything, right? So just try one tip: always stores in small bottles. So let me just try and see how is the taste. It's the raw taste of the sprouts. It's easy to drink, I would say, but if you're giving it to kids, you can combine this with some honey or sugar. For kids, sugar doesn't matter, but for me, I wouldn't take. I can just drink like this. If I'm going to use this as a detox drink, maybe I will just use like this, so which will purify my body. But then, if I'm going to use as a base for some smoothies, for my breakfast smoothies, I will add, bananas, apples, or anything that I would like. Dates and all, to make it as a fine smoothie for my breakfast, so which is going to give me everything that I need to start the day. And this way you're getting everything in its purest form. And the benefit is, I know we are so used to cooked food. That's fine, we have to keep a balance always. I'm not saying that uh, we leave cooked food and just be on raw. It has got its own cons as well. So the thing is, we have to keep a balance. So when you get up in the morning, start doing some detox things, and then drink like smoothies in its raw form, fruits, bananas, anything that you include, and you make the milks like this, store it, add this as a base. um, and drink, you make their breakfast smoothie like that, so it is highly nutritious, and you getting everything in the living form, right? And when you get something in living form, nothing is best than that. Nothing is best than that. And the thing is, everything that we do is to get a healthy body. So this is just small tricks. I think it's very late for me to even understand this. I I wish I knew all this before. And the things that I have been working for last couple of years, it's giving me tremendous results. If I would have started this when I was 20, probably I would have been in a different shape or size. Please, so take this into your life. Just try to incorporate one raw meal in a day, and that too, if you can just make that as a breakfast, that's even better, because that way, when you're having two meals, you're giving enough time for your body to digest those cooked food. And then morning, when you drink all this, it releases or eliminates toxins. Nothing stays in your intestine, so that is even better. So try to include something in the morning. It is the best time, I would say, and you will feel energetic, you will feel healthy. Just one small thing, to start with, will make a very big difference, and you will get in a time where you are healthy, you are energetic, you are happy. That's all we need. Anyway, so with this, I will take a leave right now. So stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. If you think if this is useful, please support me in sharing and subscribing the channel, and this will keep me motivated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.